A bug just flew in my ring light. Oh my god. Ah! It won't die.
Baby, open up to me. Don't give up so easily. Don't leave me hanging. Don't leave me hanging on. Hey J-Biz, I know you came here to say it's okay cause I love you anyway. Hey J-Biz, I know you came here to say it's okay cause I love you all day.
Hey y'all. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on this hair in my head right now. This is Vshow hair from Amazon. I will link it down below. I needed some hair for prom and I was searching around and I saw that Vshow hair on Amazon, they sold wigs. I was a little bit skeptical getting a wig from Amazon or hair from Amazon period, but here we are. I cannot find the link to save my life. I think they may have changed the picture on it, so like I can't recognize it, but I do know that it is Remy hair and it is 22 inches. Let me get back here so I can show you guys how long it is. When stretched, it does come to about like the middle of my butt. I'm 5'3". So this is with the box. I just pulled out the hair, but this is what it came in. It came with a wig cap. Next is just a card with their information on there. So this is how the hair comes in the bag, and it says 22 inches on it. The hair doesn't smell like anything. It smells like hair, so that's good. So this is what the lace looks like, and this is what the inside of the cap looks like. It comes with 4 combs, 2 on each side and 2 at the top and the bottom, but I don't use combs, so yeah. I think this hair was supposed to be pre-plucked. I'm definitely going to have to bleach the knots, but to me the hairline is not that thick. Now of course I'm going to have to go in and pluck it myself and customize the hairline to me, but for right now it looks good. So this is what the lace looks like on me. It's kind of thin. I think I don't remember what density this was, but this is a really thin wig, like seriously thin. Like I feel it tracks thin. So y'all, I just feel as though I just had a moment with myself, because I just feel as though like this wig is just thin. Like look at this, is how much hair it comes with, and I don't know if I'm going crazy or what, but like I just feel as though this hair is thin. Like I don't know, but one thing I will say is it's real silky. It's real soft. I combed it out. I got like 2 strands, but that was it. This hair is really soft and silky now. I don't know if y'all can tell, but this frontal is a different color from the bundles. This frontal is like a 1B color and this frontal is like a brownish color. What I'm about to do is I'm about to dye it, and then we're gonna pluck it and bleach it and all of that, and see y'all in a minute. So let's get into pros and cons of hair. First, I'm gonna start with the cons of this hair. When I got this hair and I pulled it out of the package, it came straight and I thought it was extremely thin. I think I have some footage of me unboxing and stuff like that, so I will insert it in. It was extremely thin and I hate thin hair, so I was just a little bit nervous. My frontal right now is not the best that it can be because this wig is dirty and I only did this whole get up so I can film this video for you guys. But the frontal does need to be washed, so it's not really laying as flat and looking as seamless as possible. But when I first got the frontal, I think it was supposed to be pre-plucked, but I'm not really sure. All I know is that it wasn't pre-plucked, so I had to go in and I had to pluck a lot of hair. Like I said, don't look at the crustiness of the frontal, just look at how much I had to pluck. Shipping this hair came really fast. Again, I do not remember, but I think I ordered it like 3 or 4 days before prom. and it came in time for prom. A bug just flew in my ring light. Oh my god. Ah! It won't die. So I did install this hair myself. You guys know I do every single thing by myself. The hair did not come like this. I bleached the front, and let me say it bleached like a dream. It bleached fast and it bleached pretty well. After I bleached it, the front part was kind of shedding, but it wasn't to the point of any concern. I bleached the knots and everything was fine. Fast forward to like a couple days or a couple weeks later, the hair did begin to shed. I'm not going to say it's excessive shedding, but I will say it's enough shedding to make me stop wearing this hair, because personally I don't do shedding. That is so embarrassing to me. Like, I'm brushing my hair or I'm sitting down somewhere and it's just like hair falling on my shirt, hair on my seat, hair on the table. That's just so embarrassing to me. So if you guys have been following my channel for a while, then you will know that I do not do shedding. So like I said, this hair does shed, but for the price that I paid, and I think the fastness of like how fast it came and stuff, if you need hair that comes quick, fast, and in a hurry, then this would be the hair for you. Now let's get into the wig construction, because I've been dying to talk about it. So also, when I first got the hair, I noticed that it was thin, but it's especially thin up the top. I'm going to turn around and I'm going to try to see if you guys can see it, but you know, I'm not really sure. You can see the tracks at the top of my head, and that's so terrible, because this is why I personally make my own wigs. This is the first wig that I ever ordered. I personally make my own wigs because I need it to be made the way I want, and I just feel as though this wig construction is just not cutting it. Also, after a couple weeks or so, my tracks started coming out. Like this wig, I don't know, I think they rushed it. There's a new piece of track coming out right here. The other piece of track, it was falling out like really bad, so I cut it off. I'm trying to find the other piece. Of course, when I'm recording I can't find it, but just know that they may have machine sewed this, and like I don't think the ends were secure when they did it, because the tracks definitely are coming off of the wig. And the only, like when I make wigs, the only way my tracks will come up is if the wig is old and like I've been manipulating it a lot, stuff like that. I didn't have this wig for like over a month. Now it's been over a month, but I didn't have this wig for like over a month, and then you know, and I didn't wear it every day, and the tracks started falling out. Tangling, I will say this hair did not tangle at first, but then I think because I have not washed this hair since I got it, which was about a month or so ago. It's hot outside, you know, I was wearing it all the time. I put serums and stuff in it when I straighten it and curl it and stuff like that, so it has been tangling around the neck, but I think that's just because the hair is dirty. I think it just needs to be washed, and I'm gonna try to do a silicone mix on this hair so I can try to stop the shedding and tangling. Like, it doesn't tangle that bad, but again, I don't do shedding, I don't do tangling. So okay, enough with the cons. Pros of this hair: it is extremely soft, y'all, and it is very flowy and luxurious, and it just moves. It's not stiff at all. It makes you want to like move with it. The ends, when I first got this hair, I kind of thought the ends were thin, but they're not really that thin. They're kind of better than a lot of other hair ends that I got, but the ends don't get as bone straight as I would like it to get. This hair doesn't really hold a curl, but that's because it is straight hair. I usually get body wave hair because body wave holds a better curl than straight hair. That's just a known fact. It's nothing to do with the company. It's just the type of hair that it is. If you're looking for something quick, fast, in a hurry, you know, something that is affordable and looks luxurious and looks soft for a nice price, something that can be bleached, then I would say go for this hair. But if you're someone like me that doesn't like shedding and tangling and stuff like that, I would say try it at your own risk. I'm not going to tell you not to buy this hair because it is amazing hair for its price. It didn't stink or anything like that, but I will say it is a little higher maintenance hair. So if you don't like high maintenance hair, then I wouldn't suggest getting it. If I left anything out, make sure you comment down below and ask me, because I'll be answering all of your questions. That was it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. When you subscribe, hit that notification bell next to it so you can be notified every single time that I upload. Make sure you follow me on all my socials. My Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter will be down below, so make sure you follow those. For any business inquiries or questions or comments or concerns, my business email is down below, so feel free to email me about business or anything YouTube related. Share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.